Children, I hope you all have gone through the videos that I had sent earlier and have understood the properties that were taught. In the earlier video, we did 3 properties. In this video, we are going to do the remaining 3 properties. Okay. Look at the 4th property. It says that any square number can be expressed as a sum of 2 consecutive natural numbers. Square of any odd number, specifically here the word is odd. Square of any odd number, 11 square, 17 square, 98, 97 square, 9 square, 11 square, 3 square, okay, odd number can be expressed as sum of the consecutive natural numbers. For example, here I have taken an example of 11 square. What is 11 square? 121. Now I want to express 121 as the sum of 2 consecutive natural numbers. So what I do is I write it like this: 121 minus 1 divided by 2 and 121 plus 1 divided by 2. Why are we doing this? 121 minus 1 will give me 120 by 2, which is 60, and 121 by 2 will give me 61. Now since this is odd, it's square, I've got an odd number. If I directly divide it by 2, I'll get 60.5. To eliminate that 0.5 and get natural numbers, once I've subtracted 1 and then divided, and the other time I've added 1 and divided, and I've got 60 and 1. See, the other way of doing it would be 121 divided by 2, which is 60.5. So you can write 60 plus 61. Is it understood? Let's take one more example regarding it. If suppose I have 17 square, what is 17 square? 289, right? So then I would do the same thing. 289 minus 1 upon 2, 289 plus 1 upon 2, right? So this gives me 288 upon 2, which is 144, and the other would give me 290 upon 2, which is 145, and if I add them I get 289. I hope it is understood. Okay, so let's move on with the next property, which is product of 2 consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Both the numbers will either be even, like 8 and 10, or odd, like 10, 11 and 13 I've taken over here. Now when it is consecutive even or natural numbers, like if I have 11, the other will be 13. So if I take this as x minus 1, the other will be plus 2, so it will become x plus 2. So I've written here a minus 1, a plus 1, both are odd, right? If I put a 2 over here, I'll get 2 minus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, I'm sorry, what did I say? 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 into 3, right? In that case. Now if I have two numbers, right, 11 and 13, then the easiest way to simplify how to find the product of them, they are 2 consecutive. See, consecutive means one after the other. 11 and 13. So it will be 11 can be written as, see, which is the even number between 11 and 13? 12. So 11 is 12 minus 1 and 13 is 12 plus 1, right? So I got 12 plus 1, 12 minus 1, which will be written as 12 square minus 1 square, 144 minus 1, 143. Similarly, if I have an example 8 into 10, they are consecutive numbers but they are even natural numbers. What is the number between 8 and 10? 9. 8 is 9 minus 1, 10 is 9 plus 1, so I have written in this form. Now this is equal to 9 square minus 1 square. 9 square is 81 minus 1, 80. Let's take one more example. If I have, say, 16 into 18. So what do we do? Which is the number between 16 and 18? Yes, 17. So I'll write 16 is 17 minus 1. 18 is 17 plus 1. It is of the form a minus 1, a plus 1. So it is 17 square minus 1 square. 289 minus 1. Square of 17 means 17 into 17 is 289. 1 square is 1. So this gives me 288. I hope this property is clear. Next are patterns that are based on observation. Now if you look at 1 square is 1. 11 square is 121. See how it is done? 1 plus 1, 2, and then 1 again, right? When it is 111 square, then I bring down this 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, and then 1. The first and last number is always going to be 1. 1111 square, so it will be 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, and 1. Next, it is 11,101 square. So 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5, and 1. Am I right? if I would have one more one, now there were 5 ones, now I have 6 ones, means I have 1,11,101 square. So it will be again 1 plus 5 6, 5 plus 10 15, 10 plus 10 20, 15 5 and 1. It will be that big a number, right? Next pattern that we see is 7 square. 7 square is 49. 67, when there is a 1 6, we have, when there was no 6, I had 1 4. So when there will be 1 6, it will be double 4 8 9. Then it came double 6 7. So there were 2 6, so I have 3 4s and 2 8s. When there were 3 6, I have 4 4s and 3 8s. If I have 4 6, I have 5 4s, 4 8 and 9. Now I have 5 6 and then 7 square. So it will be, there are 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. If there are 5 here, there will be 6 4s and 5 8s. 9, right? So these are the patterns that are seen in the textbook. There are try these questions based on these properties. I want you all to do those, as well as the notes that I'm going to send you. Okay children, in the notes that I've given you, there is a mistake in this part. So just check that from the video and you can make the correction in the notes. And you will also solve exercise 6.1 in your fair notebook after writing the notes that I'm sending you, and the try these questions from property 4 onwards and exercise 6.1. Okay, thank you.